Hey, it's Leah with Dropship Junkie. I've been doing a video contest and kind of learning some new things as I do my videos. So one of the things I was learning was cards and annotations. So I wanted to show a little bit more of what I've been learning. I don't know if it's right, but it has been working and I think it's really cool. So once you add your video in there and your information, you can click on annotations at the top of the page. Now at the top of the page, you can add annotations. So let me move this over. And here you can click on add annotation. You can do a speech bubble, a note, a title, a spotlight, and a label. So I've been using the note. And note pops up over here, but you're welcome to move it wherever you want on the screen. But you also want to keep it kind of out of the way of the viewer that's watching the video. But here you can type in any title you want to go in there. You'll see that it pops up in this section. Now you're welcome to change the font size, the color. It only does black and white on the color, but you can change the background to whatever color you'd like it to be. So if you like something else that would make it stand out when they mouse over it, then that would show up in that section. Now you would scroll down. You can also add a link. So you can do a video, a playlist, a channel, a Google profile, a subscribe, crowdfunding, and merchandise. Now, a bunch of these I'm not real familiar with, but I have been using video, playlist, channel, and Google+. If I click on my Google+, I'm already connected. So what it'll do is it'll add it right in there for me. So all my Google+ information is there for them to click on. Now also on this annotation, you can make this, you can stretch it as long as you want. And what that means is that this annotation at the top, will play through the whole video. Now if you don't want it to do that, you can play it to here and you'll watch at the top, it will disappear. So it will go off of the screen. So if you wanted to pause it and do another one pops in that area. So you would just hit save or apply changes in there, click on add annotation, and do another one. And then you can stretch it or leave it at a small section. So let's add that. So I'll add that in there. And if we scroll back up, now they'll overlay on each other, so definitely move them around. So, well, I guess that other one I turned off. So this one could stay there. It can move down here. You can resize it also. So if you don't like that size, resize it to the size you want. You can change the color again. So make this one yellow. And then link it. Click down to which one you want it linked to. There's my Google profile. Now this one I'll connect all the way to the end. And then make sure to hit apply changes, otherwise it won't stay. But you'll be able to see that this will continue playing all the way through the video. So I hope that helps out. I was also going to show cards. Up here at the top is cards. I've already added these, but I can add one. This also works the same way. So I've added them into different spots. So they're going to pop up when it comes to that section. So there's one coming. And what it'll do is it'll pop up the section that it wants. Now, if somebody clicks on that, it shows all of the ones that are in the file and that are going to be available to click on. And then you just click on them. It takes them directly to that video. Super cool. I really like the idea. I don't know how it does on SEO and all that, but it seems to be pretty cool. So what you do is you would just click on add card, Sorry, I already filled this one. Let's see. So when you click add card, it's just going to have you click on one, hit save, and then it brings it in here. So one of the things it will do though is it puts all these cards in one file. So it'll have all these on top of each other. What you want to do is grab them from this section and just move them to wherever you want. So they'll slide wherever you want those to pop up during your video. So you just slide them across the bottom, and then that way they're spread out and they'll pop up at different times with this and the information across it. I hope this helps out with some more information from YouTube that you can use on your videos and help out with sharing your other videos. So this is Leah with Dropship Junkie, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye.